friends, Namaste. Welcome back to our today's online class. As what we started in the last class, as we completed the Chok to 5, the Dolls Festival, is it? As now in the today class, just we are going to revise the topics that we learned in the Chok to 5, the Dolls Festival. We know that we all love to celebrate the festivals, is it? Festivals or special occasions. On the festival days, we do many things, is it? Like we pray gods, goddesses, and also we wear a new clothes. Friends and relatives are invited to our homes and we exchange a gifts. We can sing together, we can play together, we can dance together. Overall, we enjoyed a lot on the festivals. Is it? In the chapter 5, we learned about the festival that is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Which is the festival? As Golu is the festival that is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. What are the special things they do on the Golu festival? As they can arrange the dolls, is it? They can arrange the dolls in a large stand. On that, they contains a dolls of God, goddesses, peoples, and also animals. They can arrange all the dolls in a odd numbers, is it? They can arrange all the dolls in a odd numbers. We all know odd numbers means the number which is not exactly divided by 2. That may be 3, 5, 7, 9. Like that way, they arrange all the dolls in a big or a large platform, and they all look like a flight of steps. And the girls and the women are arrange the dolls. Girls and the women are arrange the dolls. It is the festival of a 10 days. They can arrange the dolls for a 9 days of the festival. On that days, people all invite their friends and relatives to see the Golu display, and the guests who are coming to see the Golu display, they also get a small bag of gifts. They also get a small bag of gifts. The gifts may contain God, goddesses, or animals, is it? On the 10th day of the Golu festival, and also people sing a devotional songs and play a music. And what about the food they prepared on that festival, on the 10 all over the 10 days of the festival? As they made a special delicious food. That food name was sandol. The sandol is made of a groundnut cereals and also a various pulses. And on the 10th day of the Navaratri festival, they take out all the dolls and pack it over for the next year. In the every year, people add new dolls for the collections, and the collection becomes larger. Every year, the collection of dolls growing larger. Is it? Now, the same festival like that Golu festival in the Japanese. The Japanese also celebrated the festival. That festival name was Hina Matsuri. Hina Matsuri is celebrated in Japan. It's similar to the Golu festival. The Hina Matsuri festival, people arrange the dolls. People arrange the dolls on a red platform. The Japanese arrange the dolls on a red platform, and also they use decoration purpose for ornaments, and they also put a dolls of emperors, attendants, kings, and the queens, musicians, and the courtiers. All those they arrange the dolls in the red platform, and also they call this Hina Matsuri festival as a Girls' Day. because those people believe that the dolls protect them from evil spirits. Japanese believe that the dolls protect us from the evil spirits, and they also made a special sweet drink for that festival. That special drink name was amazake. Amazake is a sweet drink that is made on a Inamatsuri festival. Any doubts about it? Okay, now we look forward to festival because they gives us a break from our everyday routines, is it? Festival gives us a break from our everyday routines, and it also fascinating to learn more about the festivals, is it? We are very interested to learn about the festivals, and we also enjoyed a lot in the festivals. These are all the things we learned in the chapter 5, Dolls Festival. Now we move to the exercise part. All of you opening a page number 26. That's a compression. A compression. Okay. Open that page number 26.
Look dears. A compression. A1. Tick the statement that are true. Cross the false one. Here they given some statements. If it is true, you have to tick it. If it is false, you have to cross out. Okay dears? Come on. 1. Golu is celebrated in Maharashtra. Golu festival is celebrated in Maharashtra. No. Is it? It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. So we have to cross it out. Second one. Navaratri celebration lasts for 15 days. We have to celebrate Navaratri for 15 days? No. It's also a false statement. We have to cross it out. Okay. Now, Sandol contains pulses. Sandol is a special dish that is made with a pulses. Is it true statement? Yes. Is it true? So we have to put right mark. Hina Matsuri is also called Women's Day. Hina Matsuri is also called as Women's Day or Girls' Day. Yes, Hina Matsuri is also called as a Girls' Day, not Women's Day. So we have to cross it out. Amazake is a Golu special dish. Amazake is a sweet drink that is a special dish of Golu? No. It's a special dish of what? Hina Matsuri festival that is celebrated in Japanese. Is it? Now, here A2 main. Answer these questions. You have to answer all these 4 questions in your homework book by the help of your parents. Okay? Do this as your homework. Okay? Do it properly. Don't make spelling mistakes while writing. Okay dears? Now move to the B, vocabulary. Vocabulary. A person from India is called an Indian. A person from India, Indiada ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Is an Indian. We proud to say I am an Indian. Seem like that. A person from a Japan, we call it as a Japanese. A person from a Sri Lanka is called it as a Sri Lankan. How can we talk about more than one person from a country? If they given examples for a person from one country, is it? A person from India is called as Indian. These are all represented for a one persons, is it? If they came 2 or more persons, how we have to call them? Indians. How we have to call them? Indian, Indians. There are more peoples, we call him as a Indians. Sri Lankan, Sri Lankans. Do not change words ending in S or ESE. Here look. One Chinese. Is it? One Chinese. It is the word ending with ESE. There is no necessity of adding S again. It's a wrong thing. You have to write like this as a 3 Chinese. The word doesn't change. The word will be same. One Swiss. A word is ending with S. So you have to repeat the word again. Same like only. Don't change the word. 10 Swiss. And one more is there. Words ending in man or a woman. Words that are ending in man or a woman change to man or a woman. Those words ending with an, you have to change to en. Look here. One Irish man, 2 Irish men. One French woman, a group of French women. Woman, woman. There is a difference, is there? You have to observe it, okay? Next, all of you turn the page number 28. Look. Match the names of the country with the word of a person from the country. They given the country names and you have to match a person with the country names. Okay. The person came from Canada. He was Canadian. The person came from Canada. He was a Canadian. You have to match Canada from the Canadian. The person from Korea, yes, he was a Korean. Vietnam, what he has? Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Greece, the person came from Greece, he was a Greek. The person came from Iraq, Iraqi. Nepal, Nepalese. Pakistan, Pakistani. The United States of America, American. The Netherlands is Kenyan. Sorry, the Netherlands was what? The Kenya was Kenyan. The Netherlands was Dutch woman. The Netherlands we call it as the Dutch woman. Understand, children? Any doubt about it? Okay, hope everyone is understand today's topic. Complete all this in your textbook part and do the homework. Don't neglect it. Read the questions carefully and write the answers neatly. Okay, and take a snap and send to my number. Okay, thank you, dears. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Here, one more is there. Words ending in man or woman change to men or woman. An is changes to en. Look. One Irish man. 2 Irish men. Here, for representing a singular, we have to use man. For representing a plural, we have to use men. Like that, one French woman, a group of French women. Understand the differences, okay? Next, turn the page number 28. Here, match the name of a country with the word for a person from that country. You have to match the names of a country with that country person. Here, is a person from Canada. What he was? He was a Canadian. A person from Canada is a Canadian. Mark it as a 1, or else you have to draw a line like that. Okay. Next, a person from a Korea. Korean. Vietnam. A person from a Vietnam. Vietnamese. A person from a Vietnam is Vietnamese. 3. 2 is Korea. Korean. Next, a person from a Greece. A person from a Greece is Greek. A person from a Iraq. Iraqi. A person from a Nepal. Nepalese. A person from a Pakistan. Pakistani. Okay. The person from the United States of America, American. Next, the person from a Netherlands. The person from a Netherlands is a Dutch woman. Dutch woman. The person from a Kenya, Kenyan. A person from a Kenya, Kenyan. Understand? These are all the matchings of the country with a country person. Any doubts about it, children? Hope everyone is understand the today's topic and do the works in your textbook neatly. Okay, and do this homework question A to answer all these questions in your homework book. Okay, by the help of your parents, you have to answer all these 4 questions. Okay, dears. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.